In a new report, the FBI cited black extremists as a new domestic terrorist threat. The report specifically mentioned black identity extremists, individuals who have encouraged and committed racially charged attacks on law enforcement following the 2014 shooting of Michael Brown in Ferguson. The warning reads, quote, "It is very likely BIEs, or black identity extremists, proactively target police and openly identify and justify their actions with social political agendas commensurate with their perceived injustices against African Americans." In other words, the Bureau is worried that a perceived injustice has caused the black community to render police illegitimate and will therefore inspire more attacks over the next year. The FBI previously analyzed the potential for violence from black identity extremists. The agency says the difference now is that the violence is happening and will likely continue. Jure McKesson from Black Lives Matter claims the move echoes the days when the FBI monitored activist groups that opposed war. An unnamed source told The Guardian that the category black identity extremist is troubling. The source asserted the umbrella designation has civil and privacy right infringements written all over it, while supporters say the FBI was correct on sounding the alarm about the serious trend and claim it's not racial profiling, but violence profiling. In the first 2 months of 2016, the number of police officers shot increased by 1,000%, which means 11 officers were killed for every one killed the year prior. However, reports say the number of police killed in 2015 was abnormally low, potentially inflating the 2016 numbers slightly.